Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an engagement letter. What is an engagement letter? An engagement letter is a written agreement or contract between a professional service provider, such as a consultant, accountant, lawyer, or other professional, and their client. This letter outlines the scope of work, responsibilities, terms, conditions, and expectations for the services to be provided, helping to define the professional relationship and protect the interests of both parties. It typically includes details like the services to be rendered, fees, payment terms, duration, and any other relevant terms and conditions. Engagement letters are commonly used in various professional settings to establish clear agreements and avoid misunderstandings. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an engagement letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your information. You need to write your full name. And write your organization name and address. Or, you may pick your home address, both are fine, you can pick one. After that, write the date of the letter. Here, you should use the format of month, date, and year. And write the information about the recipient. Write the recipient's full name. Under it, write the recipient's home address. When you do it, don't forget to mention the home number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Once you're done, you can open the letter with a salutation. Simply, write Dear, followed by the name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, this is introduction. In this case, you can briefly introduce yourself and your company. Mention also the purpose of the letter. Yes, you are writing this letter to confirm the terms of engagement. So, you may write, I am writing to formally confirm the terms of our engagement, for the provision of marketing services as discussed and agreed upon. And now, talk about the engagement letter outlines. They are including the scope of work, responsibilities, and other essential details related to our professional relationship. You may write, please review the following terms and kindly sign and return a copy of this letter to indicate your acceptance. Number 1. Scope of work. In this point, you need to describe the services or project that will be provided. In this example, the writer explained, we will provide comprehensive digital marketing services, including SEO optimization, social media management, and content creation. And another point, you can try to specify any deliverables, timelines, or milestones. Yes, mention the dates. Write in the format of month, date, and year. For example as, the engagement will commence on December 15, 2023, and continue until December 31, 2023. Number 2. Fees and payment. In this section, outline the fees and payment structure. Here, the organizer told the client that the total fee for the project is $5,000, payable in 2 installments. After stating that, now you can indicate the payment schedule and terms. Talk about the initial payment and the remaining payment. For example as, an initial payment of $2,500 is due on December 15, 2023, and the remaining $2,500 on January 1, 2023. Number 3. Responsibilities. In this case, you need to clarify the roles and responsibilities of both parties. For example as, our team will be responsible for executing the marketing strategies and delivering monthly reports. And then, you can continue by specifying any client obligations or contributions required for the successful completion of the engagement. In this example, the writer stated this. Your team will provide access to necessary data and assist in content creation. Sure, you need to adjust this format based on your needs. Number 4. Terms and termination. It is where you define the duration of the engagement or project. So, You can write until when this agreement is valid. For example as, this engagement is valid until January 31, 2023. Not only that, you need to also explain the conditions under which either party can terminate the engagement. And talk also about the notice period required. For example, either party can terminate the agreement with a 30-day written notice. Number 5. Confidentiality is the point where you highlight the importance of maintaining confidentiality and protecting sensitive information. If you don't know what to write, you can just copy this. Both parties agree to maintain the confidentiality of all project-related information. Number 6. Governing law. Yes, you need to specify the jurisdiction and laws that will govern this engagement. Mention the region as well. For example as, this agreement is governed by the laws of Ontario. Number 7. Signatures. This is the last point. Include spaces for signatures and dates for both parties. So you can write something like, please sign, and return a copy of this letter to signify your acceptance. You can also add more points or remove some parts. It is all based on your agreements with your client. And for the closing paragraphs, you need to ask the recipient to review the agreement above. You may write something like, please review this engagement letter carefully. And offer the recipient to ask questions or require clarification about the agreement. Of course, you need to give your contact information here, so the recipient can ask you immediately. For example, you may write, if you have any questions, or require clarification on any of the terms outlined herein, please do not hesitate to contact me. And tell the recipient that the client's satisfaction is your number one priority. So you can write, your satisfaction and understanding of our working arrangement are of utmost importance. And for the last paragraph, this is where you thank the recipient for trusting your organization for their engagement event. Simply, you can write, thank you for entrusting us with your marketing needs. And write your hope that this partnership goes well as clients expected. You may write, I look forward to a productive and successful partnership. Finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature. And write your full name as well as your occupation in the company or organization. So, that's how you write an engagement letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.